welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lyngdoh bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. November 4th, 2021 is not only the anniversary of the Day of National Unity and the Day of the Italian Armed Forces, but also the centenary of the burial at the altar of the fatherland in Rome of the body of the unknown soldiers as a tribute to all the Italian soldiers sacrificed themselves to the front in the First World War. Because of this symbolic anniversary, the students of the Salesian Vocational Center of Schio, together with that of the Petro State Industrial Technical Institute, climbed along the roads of the 52 galleries on Mount Pasubio, a place of bitter fighting in the Great War, to pay tribute to the soldiers who died to defend the homeland. Doing our part in the society in which we live, participating in the life of the community, being in solidarity and protecting democracy was the message addressed to young people on this occasion. To pronounce it was Alessandro Maculan, Councillor Skedonese, who supported the boys during the climb. The excursion is aimed not only at young people but above all to that unknown boy who lost his life for his country, he added. In the margins of the 26th United Nations Conference on Climate Change, COP26, currently underway in Glasgow, and as an original contribution to the European Green Deal to overcome and win together the current environmental challenges, the youth platform of COMECE, Commission of Catholic Bishops' Conferences of the European Union, which Don Bosco International has supported since its inception in 2019, he promoted the event, Interfaith Youth Convention on the European Green Deal. The event, held in digital mode, has scheduled a first session in October and will end with a second session on November 25th. On Saturday, October 23, 2021, the Salesian Province Mary Help of Christians based in Hong Kong CIN, as part of the celebrations prepared for the special year dedicated to Don Paulo Albera, second successor of Don Bosco at the head of congregation, officially launched two books dedicated to him. The two texts represent the Chinese translation of two Salesian books entitled A Lamb That Shines and Martyrs in China. At the end of this event, held at the Parish Mary Help of Christians in Kowloon, Hong Kong, the members of the Salesian family present recited this rosary together for all missionaries because of World Mission Sunday, which was celebrated the following day. On Wednesday, November 3, 2021, the fourth session of the Training School for Delegates of Social Communication of the East Asia-Oceania region was held. The session, entitled Institutional Dimension of Institutional Communication, saw the participation through the Zoom platform of 44 delegates for social communication and other collaborators of the sector in the region. The session was led by Dr. Fabrizio Vignati, lay collaborator of the Special District Italy Piedmont and Valle d'Aosta ICP, who has been working in the field of institutional communication for more than 20 years, and was moderated by Father Ambrose Pereira, SDB, Coordinator of Social Communication in the region. Father Gildacio Mendes, SDB General Counsellor for Social Communication, also participated in the meeting and shared some additional input on the subject. The Museo das Culturas Dom Bosco, officially inaugurated on October 27, 1951, previously called Dom Bosco Museum, has obtained on the 70th anniversary of existence a special commemorative stamp developed in collaboration with the Post Office. The cancellation ceremony was held on October 27 in the presence of Vicar of Province of Brazil, Campo Grande, BCG, Father Elias Roberto, the Rector of Universidade Católica Dom Bosco, UCDB, Father Giuseppe Marinori, the Interim State Superintendent of Post Office in Mato Grosso del Sul, Flavio Luis Diaz Leal, as well as various deans of the UCDB, guests and various authorities. The event took place at the headquarters of the museum located in the Park of Indigenous Nations in Campo Grande. On 26th and 27 October, the fifth meeting of the social platforms of the Salesian Province Spain Mary Help of Christians SMX took place. During the meeting, the people who carry out managerial functions and essential service of the three platforms deepened the proposal for evangelization and research in the provincial planning and in other programmatic reflections elaborated by the platforms themselves. Salesian social platforms are organizations that offer integral educational services to young people at risk, accompany young people in their social integration, are committed to justice and the renewal of society. They promote the culture of solidarity according to the values of the preventive system and the social doctrine of the Church. All services are carried out by an educational pastoral community within a broader organic project and inserted in the Salesian work according to the criteria of the preventive system, reason, religion, and loving kindness. At the Salesian work Don Bosco Ngangi, the solemn opening mass of the 2021-2022 school year was celebrated. The Eucharist was presided over on October 30th by Father Jean-Pierre Muhima, SDB, Director of the Salesian Community of Ngangi, and concelebrated by his vicar, Father Diodon Sande Mutunkole, SDB, in the presence of the students of Don Bosco Ngangi and the professional center and the young people of the internee. After the Mass at the Don Bosco Ngangi Youth Center, there was a great musical show conducted by renowned artists in collaboration with the Salesian works of Goma. The event took place in the name of the great campaign to raise awareness of peace and the fight against violence in the country, a campaign in which the Salesians have been actively participating for over 20 years. On the Zoom platform on October 31st, an apostolate meeting of the Salesian Cooperators of the CAM Nord province was held, which includes the centers in Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras. Under the title, Salesian Cooperators are moved by hope, the more than 60 participants deepened various articles of the Apostolic Life Project and the Strena 2021 of the Rector Major, led by Father Javier Rivas. Videos were also presented on the apostolic activities carried out by the province, on which we were subsequently discussed. The meeting was held with the aim that every Salesian cooperator experiences the ability to live with hope as a witness to a life of committed faith, expressing the strength of the charism of the association and of the apostolic commitment to young people. On October 24th, the Don Bosco Secondary Technical School celebrated the 28th graduation ceremony, presided over by Father Gregorio Baikomong, Superior of the Vice Province of Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands, PGS. The event was also attended by Emil Tamur, Minister for Planning and Development, who congratulated the 188 recent graduates trained in the 4 paths that for electricians, assembly and maintenance of machines, in automotive mechanics and in building carpentry. Taisha, Ecuador. This image, which depicts a group of young students, is a precious testimony of the Salesian presence in the Amazonian missions, and in this case in the mission of Taisha, Ecuador. The Salesian mission of Taisha began in 1958, the year in which Father Liugi Kasiragi, together with a group of Suhar, crossed the Kutuku mountain range in search of a suitable place for the foundation of the Salesian mission, which could effectively serve the Shuhar of that area. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.